Hey everybody, I'm Sef McCullough. I'm a West Coast professional retoucher and teacher, and I'm going to be speaking at the Capturing WOW Summit July 1st through the 8th this year, 2020. It's the world's premier conclave for photographers and videographers online. I'm going to be teaching you high-end professional retouching techniques that are accessible to everyday Photoshop users just like you. So you might have questions about how to set up your file in a professional way, or how to take stuff out of your photograph or add stuff in. I'm going to show you some super flexible ways to make those magical things happen. It's going to be like 45 minutes to an hour. I'm going to be showing you what's in the beating heart of every file that I create. It allows me to do some incredible things. It makes it so manipulating my photograph is really flexible and easy. It doesn't have to be scary. These are high-end techniques, but I'm going to teach you in a way that makes sense, that you can use today. So join me at the Capturing WOW Summit, July 1st through 8th, and I'll show you how to make the remarkable in Photoshop an everyday thing. Thank you.